What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. Right now, you can see my face one on one. So, I'm the guy who have been teaching you a whole lot in Revit, structures, and also architecture as well. Finally, you can see my face. So, today, whilst you can see my face, do one thing for me, which is subscribe to the YouTube channel and also like the video. So, on this episode of my course, you are going to enjoy the best out of me. What you are going to do when you come into the screen here, you can see there are various 3D or a gatehouse which I've rendered it in Lumion, and also I did the working drawings in what Revit. So I'm going to teach you how to do this kind of design in Lumion and also as well as in what Revit. So it's a gatehouse, so you can do this for your client, you can do this for your project as well. Any design that you can do, you can include this design into your project. So there are three images that I'm going to show you. There are various three images that I'm going to show you that I've rendered. So there is a second image here as well, and this is like a front view that you can see here. And also the last view that I'm going to show you, another view which shows what a white lighting at the ceiling. So I'm going to zoom in for you to see how beautiful this rendering came out after my client was able to what enjoy what the realistic view of this gatehouse for his house. So this is a real estate building. I said that I also did some working drawings for the real estate or the gatehouse, in which I'm going to show you the working drawings. So we are going to follow the working drawings to do our gatehouse. And in case you have any gatehouse, you can also maybe come and comment or let me help you how to design this gatehouse for your project. So let's move right away into my PDF file. And let me start from the beginning for you to see what it entails. So we have the entrance gate, or which is the ground floor. We have various dimensions. We have the security room. Let me zoom in so that you can see. We have the security room here as well, where the security guard sits and watch various view angle. When the car is coming, he can go out and open, or he can use what any form of tools to open the entrance for the person who is driving in. Aside that, we have a WC here as well. WC in which the security guard can ease him or herself here as well. And aside that, we have some wooden pergola here or a fence, which we have a light here as well. So when you check the images I show you here, you can see these are the wood that I was talking about in the plan with the lights here as well. And also when you go back into the plan I'm showing you here, we also have a wall here. So this kind of layout that I've done here was trying to what fuse it with what the client was having, or the site plan of the client. So this was the orientation of this client site plan, and I tried to model a gatehouse that will fit into what the client what site plan. So we are going to do this in the episode of modeling what a gatehouse in Revit, and I'm going to guide you to also model this one or render this realistic view in Lumion as well. So let's glance through into the other images that I have for you. So we have what the security post roof plan or roof floor plan. So this is the security post, the roof that covers what or covers the security post, as well as we have the next image which we call the entrance gate or the roof line. So this is the total roof line that covers the gatehouse. So when you come into the 3D here, you can see this is the gate that I'm talking about, containing the various lights or the ceiling light that is showing. And you also have some air or some lighting coming from the top to reflect in the ceiling plan as well. So let's move right away into the next image. The next image which I did was some sections through a typical session or a working drawing session for them to know how to what use or be able to construct this on site as well. And also I did an elevations for them to have a look at how it's going to be when it is built as well. So I did 4 elevations, As you already know, the south and north and east elevation, I did various types of elevations here as well, so that I add some doors and windows schedule for them to be able to construct. So this is a construction drawing that I did for a client. So the next thing that we are going to show you is what a full isometric view, which shows the various angles of my gatehouse or my gatehouse. So these are various angles that you can see. So don't forget to hit on the subscribe button before you continue the video, and I'm going to guide you on this through Lumion, through Revit, to be able to what model this gatehouse. Finally, you can see my face, and my name is Jan Sasuyumano. The name of the channel is what Infinity Hide Limited or Infinity Build Consult. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also hit on the like button, give us more like, and also comment for more videos like this. So in our videos to come, or in the videos that I'm going to do, I'm going to guide you through what the working drawings from Revit. When we are done with Revit, then we move on to the Lumion. So at the end of the day, we have a realistic view like this. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also don't forget to watch this video that I'm showing you right there. Kindly click on this video and watch it right away here. Okay, see you in the next video. Peace out. Shalom. Bye.